Hi, Mindy. So by now you should know, I'm your Secret Santa. What I have decided to do is have Tyler do a makeup tutorial on me for your enjoyment. So we'll see how this goes, and I hope you enjoy it. You ready?
Way too many things here to choose from.
Big cluster of items that he can pick what to do with.
This one says foundation, so we'll start with this. Oh, it's a squirt bottle. Ooh, how much is enough?
I don't know.
Oh, did it get your hands all dirty? Maybe I wasn't supposed to rub it like this. Oh, that seems not right already. It's off to a rough start. And you definitely gotta get up here.
I know, I'm breaking out.
Yeah, and around.
So what does it look like, Tyler, on there?
It's, you know, it feels like it's going in real nice. And I think this will be a good foundation for the rest of it.
Okay. So there it is. There's the foundation. Not terrible. Not bad.
Not bad. Okay, we'll put that away. Well, if I was gonna do something next, probably do the cheeks. This is in a little box. That's cute. Do
you want to show them
this is a...
Okay.
One of these.
Show the front of it.
This is... Hula. Hula. I don't know. You probably use the big brush, so wouldn't you start big and go small? What would I dip the big brush in? Anything? Do you just do it? What's this?
Okay.
Oh, this is what, this is what we're doing here. It's in this thing. I got a big brush and brush this on. It's definitely the right color. There we go. Brush, 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 brush.
Wow.
Yeah. It doesn't
Very
appear
soft
to be doing anything, but it probably is.
He doesn't think anything is happening.
Oh yeah, it's a little bit. And you just follow the face lines is all you do. You just, where the cheek lines are, and you go up. Not too far, but you want to go back far enough. Probably do this on the forehead too. This is going pretty well, I think. This thing's good.
Feels very soft and cushiony.
The way you're saying that makes it sound like it's not supposed to. Right here. And then here. You don't want to go up into the hairline, but you want to get it close. Probably. That's probably what I do. There's some foundation.
Some good foundation. Yep, that's good foundation.
Yep. Let's do some eyes. We'll go into the eyeshadow, which is probably here. This one says eyeshadow, so that's probably what's going to be. Oh, okay. Is that the brush I just used, maybe? Or do you do this with your finger? So many questions. Is there a brush for it? Is it this one? Oh, this says eyelid primer. Well, you gotta do primer before you do the real thing. Okay, here we go. You gotta close your eyes for this, sorry. The whole thing, your eyelid, even up under here? Probably. Okay, I think that's good. Since that one's primed, I don't even know if anything's on this. Okay, so we're all primed. I think. What's this? This is eyeliner. So, definitely not what we're going for here. Okay, well this is a little brush.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll get that on there nice and you can use this thing, a little brush, and just go, you gotta close your eye.
Oh, okay.
Because that's where it's going. Right. Yeah, that's looking good. Okay, we're gonna do the other eye. Alright, so we got a nice line here. Yeah, look at that. That's pretty good, probably. There's so many more colors though. And this is a finer tip, so that probably does something, but I don't know. Now we're going to do the line. So would you want to do your eyeliner first before your mascara? That's a question that people would probably want to know the answer to. Yeah, we won't use that today. I feel like this is mascara. Mascara, is that on the eyelashes, I think. Let's do the line. This eyeliner.
I'm a little more nervous about this one.
Okay, I'll be careful.
Okay.
I'm just gonna rest my arm on your shoulder for stability. Oh no! Oh, this is. I mean, okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to hold your face.
Okay. Oh.
It's a little thick. Could be better. The other side's got a match. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's a lot better.
That feels really smooth.
Yeah, I did a lot better job that time. I just got a match is all. There we go. Could be better, but could be. Alright, so we got a couple of things. They look the same. Oh, that one's short. So that probably means something. It's a longer, it's probably sturdier. Oh, this has finer tips. So
Great observation.
Yeah. You love pink, so we'll use this one.
Good call.
Either from the bottom or the top. I think it's from the bottom. I think you go. Yeah, because you want to kind of curl it up.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Should I close it or leave it open?
You just hold it really still.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
This is trust. Oh.
Wow.
Well, you gotta stop blinking.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, I can see it going on. That's kind of cool. Oh yeah, they're growing as we speak. Yeah.
I already had mascara on. Whoops. But that's okay. You're still learning.
Yeah. Even when girls don't have makeup on, they still do. This is dangerous.
I know.
Okay. Yeah, that's pretty good. Do we do the bottom? We're not going to any nightclubs or anything, so we'll keep it.
Just casual day.
Yeah. This is casual chill. This says brow pencil, and I have no idea what that is going to do. Does you just go through it? I don't know. You're tilting your head, so that's giving me some. I feel like it should go like with your brow. Like that?
Yeah.
You kind of like fill the brow
Very
in.
ticklish. If you open up the other side, there might be something on there.
Oh, I didn't even know there was another side.
I actually think I look pretty dang good.
How does this? Oh, a twist. I mean, I don't usually look at people's eyebrows, but yours are probably
Charlene
good.
told me I had good eyebrows.
Oh, Charlene knows this.
Whoa.
Oh, that's all right. We'll fix it.
Okay.
I mean, there's no problems. It's fine.
Subtle.
Oh, it does make it darker.
Pretty good. They look pretty similar still. That's good.
Yes, you know, beauty, you gotta pay a price. And we all know what it's like to be beautiful.
Not all of us.
Well, that wasn't very nice. Maybe textures on some things, but not on makeup.
Everything is ticklish.
All right, how are we doing so far?
Pretty good.
And this is here.
The hoopla again.
This is what I was going to use first, and now it's the last. And get some on your little brush, and then follow the cheek lines, maybe. So we'll just put this on here. We'll make some really defined cheeks here. Got really dark cheeks.
Yeah.
I probably need some more on my brush to match. I'm pretty thick on the other side. Sound effects always help. Let me get a little in here, I think. Oh,
Wow.
I probably should have done something on the nose now that I'm here. This line here. Contouring. I'm not done yet. Don't look yet.
Okay, sorry.
And I'm going to define your brow a little bit.
Okay. It's winter time, Tyler.
I don't know what that means. What we used in the beginning can probably be used for this too. Make me feel like this is wrong, but that's okay. That's why, oh wow, that's really thick over there.
It's a good one. Really good line there.
This is good. I mean, I don't pay attention to makeup every day.
Yeah.
Or any day.
Yeah.
But, you know, if you came in like this, I wouldn't know any better. I don't even know if there's anything on this brush to use. We want to kind of angle it around like that.
Oh, great.
Little strokes. That's not bad. How's it look in the light? You know, bring it all together. Just to have a little face.
My neck and face are a good, similar color.
Are they? It's pretty dark on the cheeks, but that's alright.
I'm nervous for you to use that one, though. It's a lip stain.
Huh?
It's a lip stain. And maybe I need a little bit of that
Lip
first.
stain? Okay.
Stain.
Burt's Bees. I have seen this before.
Should I leave them loose or...
I don't know, whatever feels good for you, Addy. I'm just... You probably could have done this on yourself, because that's weird for someone else to put chapstick on you. How's that feel to you? Rub them together?
Lathered.
Okay. Oh, this is really dark.
I know, I probably shouldn't have picked that one for you.
Okay. This goes on the lips, I guess. Oh yeah, that's not bad. We'll work with that all day. Well, don't smile. We don't want it on your teeth. Because that's a thing. Hold it together, Addy. Yeah. How's that? Well, that's not good.
It's not quite even all over.
It's not even all over?
No, do you think
Well,
it is?
I could have told you that.
It'll be really hard to get off. That's okay.
Hey, this is your stuff. Your choice. Oh yeah, we'll do it around in here.
That helpful.
Is that better? That was good to me.
Okay.
That's all the things that we had here.
Are we done?
I don't know.
The final product?
I feel like we touched all the places that we're supposed to be.
I think we touched a lot of places. Gosh dang it.
See it.
Okay.
Get this. We'll turn it this way.
That's great, yeah.
Yeah. I mean,
Not bad.
that looks good to me.
I'm impressed.
All right.
Love you, Mindy.
Love ya.
Bye.